Hi guys, getting breakfast here, and then we're here from Cebu City with the list, and then we're going to Bohol right now, going to the Pantalan. Hi guys, we're here at the Pantalan, Cebu. We're going to Bohol at the gate. Pila. We're here going to the ferry. Nice. Laki ng ferry na yan sa Cebu. Ocean jet liner. Bohol. Love. Yay. Going to Bohol, si Love. Oh, patras. Ito to yata kita ko na ng timon. Di ka tapag to timon. Matras lang. Matras lang.
San Juanico Bridge dong oh.
Asan ang bridge oh. There's a bridge there. Malinis yung dagat nila.
Ganda ng dagat.
Nice. Sunrise.
Yung cellphone mo.
Hello everyone. We're going to Bohol right now. We're here on a ferry. Guys, dito po tayo sa Bohol. Bababa na po tayo sa Bohol.
Nagkabot. Buti din nagkabot.
Pabalik tayo ng services. Ang grabe yung wave oh. Takas ng wave oh.
Dito yan, hampak dito yan.
Ayun oh, yung wave oh.
Hampak dito yan.
Oh, anyway guys, sa labas. Kahit ano, wave na malaki.
Gagalaw oh.
Below. Hi guys, from the ferry, we're going to Chocolate Hills, Bohol. We're traveling right now. Yung highway nila. Highway to po yan. Interior. Nice guys. This is Bohol. Bohol. Nice. Ito oh, yan. Galing. Ang ganda ng ano nila dito. Hey guys, dito tayo sa Bohol Tertiary Conservation Area. Ang galing. So ito yung place. Ito ganyan. Philippines. Entrance. Dito oh. Punta tayo meron sa I love Bohol. It's the area place. Nice, so you had to
No eating and no bringing of
open.
foods and drinks inside. No smoking and no
Basahin
vaping
na.
inside the premises.
Senior 136, student 160, regular 170. This is our driver guys.
Please be watchful of your belongings, not liable to any loss. Thank you for listening and enjoy your Tarsier viewing.
Oh nice. I love Bohol.